Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Tetris using HTML5. So I have the GitHub right here, and basically we have the sources folder that has blocks, like these are all of the images, Tetramino, and all of the other stuff. And then, we also have the losing image. You lost. Don't worry about that other image, it's just because I'm lazy, so I just put it in the lose folder. And then this is the music. So, I have HTML. So we have the score, the high score, uh, all the buttons, this plays the music, and even more buttons. The reset game button and the unpause and pause button, those are exactly what they say they do. And this is up, down, left, and right. So waiting for it to load. Okay. So we have all the content, the display, the content, and the canvas. A lot of constants like the different tetraminos, and the images, and the width and height, and the grid size, and all those stuff. Okay, I don't want to do that because, what did I do? Okay, pause. This is pause. These are the bags. This is for like choosing the tetraminos, and then this is the function that chooses the tetraminos. This gets a random integer with a max. This basically just moves it to the left, and because this is like all the key on key event thing, and case 37 is left arrow, 38 is up arrow, and 39 is right arrow, and 40 is down. These set and get the cookies respectively. This draws the line. This draws a rectangle. This rotates. So this, I think, is the thing it rotates around, and then like this is the position, and this is the angle, but I forgot it. This checks if there's an array inside of an array and then this checks if there's a thing inside of a 2D array. This is the matrix node class. It's basically a node in the matrix. Okay, that sounds weird. A node in the playfield. And then this is the matrix, this is the playfield class, and you don't put anything in the constructor, but you build, what does that do? But it builds like, this builds the thing, like it makes it a grid. And this clears it, this gets a node inside of the playfield, this gets a row, this finds a key, and this is the class object thingy. This spawns a tetramino, basically is like just getting the node in the playfield and then setting it to the correct tetramino numbers, because like over in the playfield node, it has a key. So, oh, I remember what the update is. The update is for something else. Never mind. You're gonna use the update function, and then this draws the grid, and this draws the tetraminos. Red, purple, green, yellow, orange, blue, using the keys. If it's 1, it's cyan, 2, blue, 3, orange, 4, and yeah. This moves the tetramino down using, like, it sets the playfield numbers and okay. This moves the tetramino to the right, and yeah, like, just by using the playfield thing. It's basically this, but to the right, and then this moves it to the left, and this rotates it using the angle thingy. This updates it, the playfields. Oh yeah, it draws the protection. Yeah, draws the thing. Oh yeah, and then this checks the row. Like, oh, this like you know in Tetris, if you get a row, it deletes that row and moves everything down. That's exactly what it does. You can see it uses yeah, like basically checks the playfield, and then when it gets in a row, it deletes it, and then it just gets all the other rows above it and moves everything down by setting the top one to the next one to the next one to the next one and so on. And then okay, this spawns the tetramino at the start, and this literally spawns the tetramino every other time. You can see we use cookies to store the high score when you lose. So it only updates when you lose. So if you exit the game midway, you won't get a new high score. This starts the game, but I never use it because I'm too lazy. And you can see it restart game, and it basically just runs the same function because the same function can start the game and restart the game. So I should probably delete that, but yeah, I should probably delete that actually. Okay, there. Yeah. You can just copy and paste it from GitHub, but that's what it does. That's what it does. CSS, body steel blue, canvas solid white border, next plot, an image, reset. This is the background color of the button, and this moves. Oh, this is the up button. I needed it to be in the center. Okay, I'll show you. Yeah. Okay, n.txt. Basically, this is also a Father's Day gift, so I made a Father's Day version of it. Yeah, cool, I guess. Okay, so now if we open it up, down, left, right. And everything works magically. For some reason. Oh, and the high score, I have a high score of 8,634. Nobody can beat me. Ha ha ha. Actually, my dad got that high score, but it's mine now. Up, down, yeah, all of the buttons work. So yeah, that's how to make Tetris in HTML5. Thank you for watching, and see you next time, or maybe never. Bye bye.